Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and this is my cooking channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a very special recipe. It's a Disney churro recipe. It is an official churro from Disney parks. They released their recipes a while back and I haven't had a chance to try. And then Jeanette from, the name is Jeanette, she had invited us to participate in a food carnival park amusement park type of collab, so I thought this would be a perfect time to share this recipe. So without further ado, let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you will need to make the churros. You need a cup of water, a half a cup of butter, 3/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon, ground cinnamon, 1 1/4 cups of flour, 3 eggs, and half a cup of sugar. Then you're gonna need a saucepan as well as a deep fryer or a pot with the oil for frying. First thing I'm gonna do is I am going to bring my cup of water, butter, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon to a gentle rolling boil. So now that it came to a boil, I'm going to reduce the heat to low, and I'm going to add my flour, and you want to stir really fast when adding the flour. So now that it's well combined, I am going to remove it from the heat and let it rest for 5 to 7 minutes. So now it had some time to cool. I am going to mix in my eggs. I have already broken them into a bowls, and I'm just going to dump them in and mix them in. You want the dough to be completely, well, not completely, you want it to be cooled so that way your eggs don't scramble. Now I'm going to fill my piping little thingy that I got from Pampered Chef, and I'm going to add this star tip. So once my oil is preheated to 350, I will start piping the churros in. you want to fry them until they are brown on all ends. So I think these are ready. I'm going to add them to a plate with a paper towel. So while they're still hot, you want to sprinkle some cinnamon sugar over them. Here they are all done, and I just warmed up some Nutella, a teaspoon for 20 seconds for dipping. Well, I hope you had enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love it if you considered subscribing and pressing the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. So until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.